Hello traders. Want to know the performance of my strategy 20 days simple moving average with elephant bar? Then come with me. This is the chart of Grasim and you can see that approximately 10:30 am there is a bullish elephant bar, and as per our strategy, when the second candle cross the top of the bullish elephant bar, at the same time we have to make a buy entry. So we have to make a buy entry on this point, and we have to continue with the stock till this point. I hope you can see the movement of cursor. This is the 200-day simple moving average line, and on this point the stock is feeling weakness, so we have to exit from the stock on this point. Approximately in this trade, approximately we got 4 to 5 bars, and on the same stock approximately 11:15 we got a chance on the downside. This is the first elephant bearish candle, and when the second candle crossed the low of the first candle, at the same time we have to make a sell entry on this point and add the stop loss on the top of the first candle, and we have to continue with the stock. On this trade we got approximately 8 to 10 bar. So this is the power of this strategy, that every time we lose a small, and whenever we buy we got a big. On the same day, today we make the entry on Asian Paint also. You can see that approximately 1 p.m. we got a chance to enter in the stock. This is the elephant bullish bar, and when the second candle cross the top of the first candle, we have to make a buy entry and add the stop loss under the logic. And you can see that after one more bullish bar, the stock goes down. So I earlier said that it's the game of probability. There is no certainty. The stock can go down also. Your strategy may fail also. But if your strategy working 7 to 8 times, then it's a high probability trade. So there is not an issue, because we lose a small amount, because we lose a single bar only. And if we got approximately on this trade 8 to 10 bar. So we have to continue watch for the opportunity, sit on the chair on a calm mind and wait for the opportunity. And approximately 3 p.m. we got a chance. This is the bearish elephant bar, and when the second candle cross the low of first candle, we have to make the sell entry and add the stop loss on the top of this candle. And you can see that on this trade we got approximately 6 6 to 7 bar. So this is the quality of this strategy, that every time our stop loss minimum and our profit maximum is risk reward ratio is outstanding. So this is the basic of trading, that you have to lose whenever you lose a small amount, and whenever you get a big amount. So friends, this is from my side. If you like this strategy, then you can press the like button, you can subscribe my channel, and you can share this video to other also, so that they can also get benefit from this type of video. So thank you guys, thank you very much.